Hi there, I'm Arman, and it's finally time to release my first ever course about spine 2D animation tool. I have 18 years of experience in gaming industry. I worked as a programmer 4 years using Unity. I integrated spine objects, so I was very aware how it works and all technical stuff. However, I never animated with that until COVID kicked in, and suddenly I have plenty of free time to work with my favorite tool. I picked up it very quickly, considering all that experience I had previously. With all that background, I was very successful to land nice franchises such as Dungeons and Dragons, How to Train Your Dragon, SpongeBob, and a lot more. Pretty cool, right? While I enjoyed animating in Spine, I opened a YouTube channel to share all my knowledge there. It's about 20,000 subscribers now, but the key is that I understood that I also love sharing my knowledge, teaching. So, with all that, I created this course. It's fundamentals. It consists everything about spine, every technical aspect. However, it doesn't include character animation or rigging character. So make sure to check my other courses if you want to learn that. Right now, let's have fun and learn amazing stuff.